Hello friends, how you all doing? As you can see, it's winter here and finally starting snowing, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove snow without shovel. If you ever find yourself in the situation when you don't have a shovel and it's lots of snow around, you can just as well use the leaf blower and it's going to do the job. Well, let's check it out. It best works on the fresh snow. This snow it's a little bit wet, as you guys can see, but it will still work. As you guys can see, it's not too bad. There's some chunks here and there like this, but overall it's actually did a good job. I think in some cases leaf blower works better. When you shovel your driveway and sometimes the walk is not even and you hit edges here like that, so you have to lift it up and adjust your shovel and keep going. But with the leaf blower, it doesn't matter if you have any uneven spots. After you're done blowing your snow out, you might have some chunks left, still like this, but it's not a big deal. You can just take them out with your foot. Like this. And I don't have too many of those chunks left actually. And like I said before, it works best on the fresh snow. This snow is a little bit wet, and fresh snow will not leave any chunks at all. So it's gonna be all clean. Alright, there you go. Now you guys can see how clean is the sidewalk. Look at that. Well, that's how you remove the snow from your sidewalk or driveway with the leaf blower. Thank you for watching this video, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.